What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Shift for Success. My name is Nick, and in today's video, we're going to talk about what your goals for YouTube should be. Now, your goals for YouTube, right? You want 1,000 subscribers, right? 4,000 watch time hours, obviously, right? But it's important to set other goals for yourself. You need to break down why you're doing this. Because I promise you that the road to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours is a long road and it's going to take some time. So you need to have some goals for yourself that are set in the meantime. Like the why. The why you're doing what you're doing is the most important part, and that's what's going to keep you going throughout this whole process. So I need you guys to figure out why you're doing this. Why did you start a YouTube channel? Because you want to teach other people how to bake. Because you really like playing video games and that's what you want to do. Because you really enjoy teaching people how to work on cars. So that's why you're doing this. And every time you create a video and you feel like it's not getting as many views as it deserves, I want you to remember the why. You're doing this because you like teaching people how to bake. You're doing this because you like playing video games. You're doing this because you like teaching people how to work on cars. For me, for example, I'm doing this because I like helping other people be successful. And that's the why that we have to focus on until we get to that point. It's important to continue focusing on it after you get to that point, but in the interim, the why is what you need to focus on. It's extremely important. That's how you stay motivated to keep going when you're not getting a lot of views and when your subscribers are not turning around as fast as you thought. The why is the important part. You need to have other goals for yourself during this time period as well, right? I assume that either A, you're going to school, or B, you're working on top of all this. You need to have goals for how you want to get better throughout your journey to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. Because the truth is that if your video quality is not improving throughout this time period, your videos are not going to be continued to be watched, right? It's really important that, every paycheck or every allowance or whatever it is that you get, you are doing something to help yourself level up, right? Even if you don't want to throw a bunch of money at it, watch a video on how to edit, how to do cut screens better, how to do transitions better, how to add in green screen edits, right? How to edit your audio better so that it sounds good. It's important that you keep trying to level up your game consistently every time you post, right? The goal that a lot of creators set for themselves is to get 1% better with every upload. 1%. Right? And where you started in the beginning is your baseline. That's 0. 1% better. I got a backdrop. That's 1% better. My room looks cleaner. 1%. I got lighting up there in the corners. 45-degree angles offset up from your face shining down. 1% better. I got a new microphone. That's probably more like 5% better, but you understand what I'm trying to say is that with every upload that you do, you need to get yourself 1% better, no matter what that is. Even if it's just spending more time to understand the keywords and search engine optimization part of it a little bit more, right? The goal is that you're continuing to improve yourself and your videos on your way to 1,000 subscribers. That way, once you get there and you're monetized, you're putting out great videos that people want to watch, right? It's one thing to be monetized, but it's also another thing to keep getting views when you're monetized to help make you money at that point, right? So your videos need to progressively get better over time so that when you do hit that point, you're killing it, right? And that's what you want to do. So you need to focus on the why, and you need to focus on improving every time. And yeah, it is a long journey and it takes for freaking ever. But just keep going. Switch up your tactics. Improve your video quality. Promote to other social media accounts. You'll get there. Just keep going. Don't stop. That's the goal, is to just keep getting better and to keep trying different things and to keep moving forward. That's what you need to do in order to be successful on YouTube, is to just keep trying, keep moving forward, keep upping your game, and focus on your why. Focus on why you're doing this. That's going to be really important for you along this journey, but you're going to get there. I know it. Guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. I got some awesome content coming out for you guys that's going to help you up your YouTube game to the next level. And with every one of my videos that you watch and implement a tactic, you'll get anywhere from 1 to 10% better, I promise. So make sure you subscribe and keep watching, because this is really going to help you on your journey. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.